Hello students, chapter number 3, triangles, video number 2, total number of videos 15. We are solving practice set 3.1, page 27-28. Question number 4 is, let us see what is question number 4. Refer the textbook. The measure of one of the angles of a triangle is twice the measure of the smallest angle, and the measure of the other is thrice the measure of the smallest angle. Find the measures of the three angles of the triangle. So refer the textbook to see the question. Here it is the solution. Let measure of smallest angle of a triangle is equals to x degree. Then from given information, measure of one of the angle is equals to 2x degree, twice the smallest. So 2x degree. And measure of other angle is thrice the smallest. So that is 3x degree. Is now we know that sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So x degree plus 2x degree plus 3x degree is equals to 180 degree. This addition is 6x degree is equals to 180. This 180 is divided by 6 and here we get 30. So x is equals to 30 degree. Then 2x is equals to 60 degree. 3x is equals to 90 degree. Is angles of the triangle are x, 2x and 3x. That is 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. So this is the solution of the problem. Now we will go to question number 7. You have to see the textbook. Okay. Question number 7. Question number 5 and 6, very simple questions are there. Go through the problems and get it solved. Question number 7. In a triangle ABC, bisectors of angle A and B intersect at point O. If angle C is equals to 70 degree, find measure of angle AOB. Are you getting? In triangle ABC, bisectors of angle A and B intersect at point O. Measure of angle C is 70 degree. This is given. We have to find the measure of angle AOB. So here it is the solution of the problem. See the figure. Triangle ABC is given. Measure of angle C is 70 degree. Bisectors of angle A and B intersect at point O. That is, ray AO and ray BO are the bisectors of angle A and B. We have to find measure of angle AOB. We have to find out measure of this angle. Now see, in triangle ABC, ray AO and ray BO, this BO and this AO are the bisectors of angle A and angle B respectively. So from the figure is measure of angle OAB. Measure of this angle is half the measure of angle A. Result number 1. Also, measure of angle OBA, measure of this angle is equals to half the measure of angle B. Result number 2. Measure of angle C is given 70 degree. Okay. Now, in triangle ABC, sum of three angles is equals to 180 degree. So, measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C is equals to 180 degree. Here it is the reason. Is angle C is given, so it is transformed to right hand side. So here we get measure of angle A plus measure of angle B is equals to 180 minus measure of angle C, which is 70 degree. Difference is 110 degree. So measure of angle A plus measure of angle B is equals to 110 degree. Now I will multiply this equation both sides by 1 upon 2. So half of angle A plus half of angle B is equals to half of 110 degree. So that will give us 110 degree. Okay. So here it is the result. Half of angle A plus half of angle B is equals to half of 110 degree. This gives us 55 degree. So half of angle A plus half of angle B is equals to 55 degree. Result number 3. Now in triangle ABO, we have to refer the figure. Is angle OAB plus angle OBA plus angle AOB is equals to 180 degree. Reason for this, sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So pay attention, this OAB is half into measure of angle A. OBA, measure of angle OBA is half into measure of angle B. This is from 1 and 2. Plus angle AOB is equals to 180 degree. This is from 1 and 2. Now see here, half into measure of angle A plus half into measure of angle B. This result is 55 degree. This is from 3. So 55 degree plus measure of angle AOB is equals to 180 degree. This is from 3. 55 is transformed to right hand side. So angle AOB is equals to 180 minus 55 degree. Therefore angle AOB is equals to 125 degree. That we have to find out. Hence the solution of the problem. Now we will move to question number 8. Yes, here it is, question number 8. Okay, here it is. So pay attention, what is given? Line AB parallel to line CD. Line PQ is the transversal. Ray PT, this ray PT and this ray QT are bisectors of angle BPQ and angle PQD respectively. Yes, this is the problem. To prove, what to prove? Measure of angle PTQ, measure of this angle is equals to 90 degree. This result we have to prove. So let us see the proof. Here it is the figure. Yes, this one is the figure. What is given? Line AB is parallel to line CD. This line PQ is the transversal. Ray PT and ray QT are bisectors of angle BPQ, this angle, and angle PQD, this angle. Yes, respectively. Then to prove measure of this angle PTQ is equals to 90 degree. We will go for the proof. Ray PT, this ray PT is the bisector of angle BPQ. So measure of this angle, which is this TPQ, measure of this angle is equals to half the measure of this angle, that is angle BPQ. So measure of angle TPQ is equals to half the measure of angle BPQ. Result number 1. Also ray QT is the bisector of angle PQD. So measure of this angle is, which is this angle, is TQP. This angle is equals to half the measure of this big angle, that is angle PQD. So measure of angle TQP is equals to half into measure of angle PQD. This is result number 2. Now pay attention. Line AB is parallel to line CD. Line PQ is the transversal. Now see here, angle BPQ, this angle, and angle PQD, this angle, are the interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So sum of the measures of these two interior angles is 180 degree. So here it is the result. Angle BPQ plus angle PQD is equals to 180 degree. Reason, interior angles theorem. Now pay attention. Is multiply both sides by 1 upon 2. So half of measure of angle BPQ plus half into measure of angle PQD is equals to half into 180 degree. Okay, this gives us 90 degree. Now pay attention. Half into measure of angle BPQ is angle TPQ. Result number 1. Half into measure of angle BPQ is angle TPQ. So for this we will write this one. Half into measure of angle PQD, here it is equals to angle TQP is, and that gives us 90 degree. This is result number 3 and from 1 and 2. Now in triangle PQT, in this triangle, angle TPQ, this angle, plus angle TQP, this angle, plus angle PTQ, this angle, is equals to 180 degree. Sum of all angles of a triangle. Now see the result number 3 is TPQ plus TQP. Measure of these two angles is 90 degree. So sum of the measure of these two angles is 90 degree. This is from 3. So 90 plus measure of angle PTQ is equals to 180 degree. This is from 3. 90 is transformed to this side and we get here angle PTQ is equals to 90 degree, the result that we have to prove. So learn these problems very carefully. Now see here from the textbook, question number 9. This question number 9 is eliminated from the portion. Question number 10, we will solve this in live lecture, that is, or at the time of revision. So here what gets over? Practice set 3.1 gets over, and then we'll move to next point in the next video.